Hi, today we're looking at PETKIT Cat Water Fountain. Hi, this is Mad Russian Nomad, and we're looking at PETKIT Fountain for cats. PETKIT EVERSWEET Solo SE model. Assembly. First step, the base, then reservoir wherever you want it. Maybe this way, doesn't matter. Very easy. Next, motor with the filter right here in the bottom. Next, insert this rubber insert. Next, this part. Next, filter. Very intuitive. Just push it in. You don't even need to wash it in this case. And then the top. Now it's time to test it. We're gonna use some purified water. So I'm gonna... Okay. Pour water inside. I'm gonna put 3 water bottles until it's at the max level. Four bottles. Let's put it back together and see how it works. By the way, the filter does not have to be washed. So I plugged in the station. Let's put this on top. There we go. Alright, it's blinking. Means it's supposed to be working. Alright, let's see what happens. Voila! And there you go. That's a cat fountain. Hester, you want to test it? Hester, come on. Right here. Here's the water. Come on. Let's see. How do you like that? Come on, try your water. Try your water, Hester. Come on. Oh, well, I guess food is more important. Thanks. So that was your review of a PETKIT water fountain. Thank you for watching.